Welcome back to our channel, where we learn English through real and powerful stories. Today's story is about beauty, fame, and pain behind the spotlight. Are you ready to learn English with the story of one of the world's most iconic women? Let's begin. Marilyn Monroe, the smile that hid 1,000 tears. Beautiful but broken. She was the most famous woman in the world. Everyone loved her smile. But no one saw her tears. Her name was not always Marilyn Monroe. She was born as Norma Jean Mortensen on June 1, 1926, in Los Angeles, California. Her childhood was not easy. Her father disappeared before she was born. Her mother had mental health problems and couldn't take care of her. So little Norma Jean was sent from one foster home to another. Sometimes, she lived with strangers. Sometimes in orphanages. She never felt safe. Never truly loved. Alone in the crowd. She became a star. But deep inside, she was still that lonely little girl. From factory to fame. In 1944, during World War II, Norma worked at a factory, checking parachutes. One day, a photographer came to take photos of women helping the war effort. He saw Norma and said, "You should be a model." That one photo changed everything. She began modeling. She dyed her hair blonde. She smiled for the camera, and the world smiled back. In 1946, she signed a movie contract and changed her name to Marilyn Monroe. A name that would one day become legendary. But at the time, no one knew who she was. She played small roles at first. People thought she was just another pretty face. But Marilyn wanted more. She took acting classes. She studied hard. She wanted to be taken seriously. The icon is born. Then came Gentlemen Prefer Blondes, 1953. Then The 7-Year Itch. Then Some Like It Hot. Her fame exploded. Marilyn became the symbol of beauty around the world. Men adored her. Women copied her hair, her clothes, her smile. But the world saw only the outside. Inside, she was struggling. The price of fame. Fame gave her everything. And slowly took it all away. She had 3 failed marriages. One with baseball star Joe DiMaggio. Another with writer Arthur Miller. Both ended in heartbreak. She wanted to be a mother, but suffered multiple miscarriages. She wanted to be seen as more than sexy, but Hollywood only wanted her image. She was often late to film sets. People said she was difficult. But she was battling depression, anxiety, and addiction. She once said, "I'm trying to find myself." Sometimes that's not easy. Behind the curtains. She read poetry. She loved art. She wanted to be smart, not just beautiful. She started her own film company, a brave move for a woman in the 1950s. She fought for better roles and better pay. She didn't want to be a joke. She wanted to be an artist. But the pressure was too much. The media followed her everywhere. Rumors filled the newspapers. She trusted very few people. A tragic ending. On August 5, 1962, Marilyn Monroe was found dead in her home. She was only 36 years old. The cause? A drug overdose. Was it an accident? Was it suicide? Some say there was a mystery. the truth may never be known. But one thing is certain, the world lost a shining star that day. Legacy that shines. She lived a short life. But her light still shines, in photos, in films, in memories. Marilyn Monroe is more than beauty. She is a symbol of dreams, pain, and power. Learn and reflect. What can we learn from Marilyn's story? Behind every perfect smile, there may be a hidden struggle. Never judge someone by what you see on the outside. Even when life is hard, never stop dreaming. Thank you for learning English with Marilyn Monroe's story today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, every story teaches us a little more, about English, and about life.